Apply this on your hair and they will never turn white. But the magic here is that this will also restore the original hair colour, so if some of the hairs are already grey or white, this will make them black again. White hairs are a sign of getting older. Grey hair will come up with age and no one can control it. But yes, you can stop premature hair greying. Just apply this paste and see the magic. Ingredients: a handful of curry leaves, buttermilk. Take the curry leaves and wash them clean. Now put them in a crusher and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of buttermilk in it. Now start crushing the leaves till you get a thick green paste. Apply this paste on your scalp and gently massage for 5 minutes. Spread the paste on your hair and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After this, rinse it off with cold water. If you use this remedy twice a month, you will never suffer the problem of white hairs. If your hairs are already white, then use this remedy 5 to 6 times a month.